Average is called the arithmetic mean, and it is calculated by adding a group of numbers together and then dividing by the count of those numbers. The Excel average function calculates the average of numbers provided as arguments. Syntax is: average can handle up to 255 individual arguments, which can include numbers, cell references, ranges, arrays, and constants. To find out an average of certain numbers, you can supply them directly to the average function. A typical way to use the average function is to provide a range. Example: to calculate the average score, pass the range to average function. If a range or cell reference argument contains text, logical values, or empty cells, those cells are ignored. However, cells with the value 0 are included. Arguments that are error values cause errors. If you want to round the returned number to the nearest integer, use one of the Excel rounding functions: round, round down, round up, or int. To get the average marks of a student, use a horizontal range. To return an average of non-adjacent cells, you need to supply each cell separated by comma. You can include values, cell references, and ranges in the same formula. You can also find the average of percentages using average. For example, to find the average percentage of fruits sold, use this formula. Excel average function includes 0 values when calculating an average. Example: you can see that average with 0% cell included is different from 0% not included. You can also calculate the average times that include hours, minutes, and seconds. For example, to calculate the average time in horse race, use the average function and format the result as you want. Enter the time in column B in hour, minute, and second format. Then use the average function to find the average. To format it as hour, minute, open the Format Cells dialog box. Select time and select hour, minute format. To display the whole minutes or seconds, use custom formatting. Open Format Cells dialog box. Select Custom. Select Custom from the category list and type the time codes in the type box. Enter within brackets for minutes and SS within brackets for seconds. The brackets tell Excel the time is a duration and not a time of day. The AVERAGEA function is like Excel average function. It calculates the average of the values in its arguments. AVERAGEA includes all non-empty cells in a calculation: numbers, text, Boolean values of true and false, and empty strings returned by other formulas. Empty cells are ignored by both functions. For example, the average of A2 and B2 is 2 since B2 is ignored. Text values ignored by average. They are evaluated as 0 by AVERAGEA, and so it returns 1. Empty strings returned by other formulas are ignored by average. They are evaluated as 0 by AVERAGEA, and so it returns 1. The Boolean values true and false are ignored by average. The Boolean value of true evaluated as 1 and false evaluated as 0 by AVERAGEA. So it returns 1.5 for true and 1 for false. When you average cells, keep in mind the difference between empty cells and those containing the value 0, especially if you have show a 0 in cells that have a 0 value checked in Excel options. We have a 0 in B10. On the File tab, click on Options, and then in the Advanced category, Look under Display options for this worksheet. Uncheck Show a 0 in cells that have a 0 value. Now the zeros in B10 is not displayed. Both cells look like they are empty, but the results of average function is different. Since AVERAGEA treats empty cell also as a 0, so the results are same. To download example Excel file, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.